Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti the Haitian way. First you need to boil some water and I'm going to add some garlic. So you have to smash it or even cut it up very thinly. And the water is this color because I have some thyme. I love the taste of thyme. Now I'm going to add the spaghetti. And make sure you add some salt and pepper. I like to keep it while the spaghetti is boiling. You can start chopping up the things that you're going to put in there. You can put chicken breast, whatever you want, or you could put vegetables, whatever, if you don't like to eat meat, or shrimp. I like it with shrimp. But here I'm going to use hot dogs. Haitian like to put hot dogs in the spaghetti. So here I have some hot dog, I have some ham, I have some habanero pepper. It gives it a nice kick. I have some cheese and some butter. I already used the garlic. You're also going to need some onions that you're going to put in there. That's pretty much it. Then when the spaghetti is ready, I'm going to show you how to combine everything together. Now I added some oil. It's very hot. So I added the hot dog and the ham. Then once it starts to get some color, you can add the onion. Because I didn't add the onion first, that way they don't get burned. And make sure you don't add too much oil. I don't like greasy spaghetti, but at the same time, if you don't put enough oil, it will be dry. Again, it's all about practice. Now I'm going to add the tomato paste. This is a really good quality tomato paste. And now I can add the onions, the cheese, and the hot pepper. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of the water that I boiled the spaghetti with. That way I can give it a nice sauce for the spaghetti. Now guys, at this point, you want to try to bring the hot dog, the meat from the bottom up. So you're going to be mixing them. I have to be holding the pot to do that. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. It smells so delicious and it tastes really good. I also added some jiwaf. I think they call that cloves. It gives it a nice flavor. I don't like to add it when the spaghetti is boiling because it's kind of too overwhelming. But when you're preparing the sauce, you can add it. Now guys, this is the final stage of the spaghetti. It smells really good. Mmm. It is delicious. 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 So I hope you guys try this recipe and have a great day.